So welcome guys. Today we are going to learn how to develop a dashboard, this one, but we are going to use DeepSeek, or you can use ChatGPT. So let us go. We are going to develop this. I opened up my DeepSeek here. DeepSeek. I opened up the DeepSeek to develop this HTML. So this HTML code interface. So now I want to show you something, guys, because AI can develop, but sometimes you don't know how to integrate these things. So let me go here. This is my text editor. I created a panel.html file because I'm going to create a dashboard. Now I'm going to create style.css as a file. You know how to create style.css. If you don't know, you go here, file, then you click here, new file. For example, here, let me first finish, then new file. Then what you are going to do, save as like this. Then you go here, you type style, you see, style.css, like that. But now I have created it. What I need to do is to link, because most of you don't know how to link. So we are going to link like this. Link, even AI can link. Real dot equals to style. Here you put style sheet. Do not forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe. At least we make it to 1,000 subscribers. So half, that is a element tag that is for linking, to link pages. So style, so you write the same name, the same file that you want to link here. For example, now this is style.css. This is the extension .css. This last one, you need to be confident. You need to understand this. This is an extension. So style.css, then we close it like this. So after closing it, now we have linked this file. I have nothing here. Now I'm going to, let me go here to my DeepSeek. I copy the style.css codes back to Sublime Text. Then I paste the codes as it is. What I need to do is to save like that. Then I go back. I want to create another file called responsive.css. So what I'm going to do, from here, new, I'm going to go here to save as. You make sure that you save, because my file folder is YouTube programming. So you make sure you put the same file in the folder, in the same folder. So I have responsive like that .css as it is. Now I click save. After saving, now I need also to link this one to my HTML. So I go here, then I write link as it is above. Of course, also here you put styles because it is a style sheet. Then you go here, half, because most of the guys, they find it difficult to link pages, because AI can help you to develop this, but you need to know how to link this .css. Now here you link the same folder .css, then you cross as it is. Now we have also linked the style. So responsive.css. So I go back to my DeepSeek here. It loads the code here. This is the code for responsive.style. Then I go back here, I paste, then I save. Now I need to create another page called index.css. that is a script, but I'm put it down. I want to put it here down. I want to put it here. inside the body. So this is script like this as a source, because it is a source, then like this. Now I'm going to put index.js. JS, it stands for JavaScript, you know. Then I cross, then I need to cross also the script like that. So I need to create index.js, but I can also create it into another file. So let me go here. We have a new, I'm going to go here, save as, then I'm going to create index.js. This dot, it is extension for it. So after that, I go back here to my DeepSeek, then I copy it here like this. Then I go back here to my Sublime Text or VS Code. Now this is style.index. Now I have linked all this file to the main page of this one. Now what I need to do, I need to save. Also here to save. Also here to save. Also here to save. So if I want, so you want to run, you go here, new file. If you want to run this, you go here, you click open file like this, then you click on index panel like this. I don't know, but on my side it takes a long time. Let me go here, because already I have opened it. It is here. You click it, then you open it, you run it. Because once I run it, you see, now this is the dashboard that we have created. So we have created this by using AI, by using ChatGPT. So this is now the dashboard that you created. So this is how you link. Now in the next video, I'll show you how to make this one more responsive, another thing, or to add mobile whatever, such that it can fit on mobile. So you have the code here. Instead of writing this the same code, you know, you go here, you click open. I don't know, my drive is full, maybe because I save it to cloud. That is why it takes a long time to open. Yeah, it takes a long time to open. But when you go here, DeepSeek, you have seen that it writes codes in a partial format. So you go on. That is how we link file, you know. We link file, then you open. So to make sure that this is running, you see, now I need to get a host. I will show you how to host your website like this. And I need to make sure that everything is working. But now that is for startup. Do not forget to subscribe. At least let us make it to be 1,000 subscribers at least this week. So do not forget to subscribe. So I'm going to put the codes in my description, such that you can get, or on my GitHub you can get the same code as it is. So I'm going to put the code link or file, so such that you can get. But you don't need to get this code. You go to DeepSeek ChatGPT, tell it to create a dashboard, because a dashboard, it is so admin dashboard, it is so useful in web development. It is where you can control, like here, 60 views, 150 likes, like that. So you see here, but now this one, we need to know how to link this one. The next video, I'm going to show you how to link this one, such that if you click here, it takes you to another page, you know. But we are also going to use AI. Do not forget to subscribe, guys. Do not forget to subscribe. subscribe.